We would love to see what you're up to in the studio. Blocked. Blocked. None of you are free from sin.
Just about fits everyone in, and also the bin.